So I created these punch hole using this part in this, and then I printed the base. If I can just take it, I can't. So it's more like this, and the base is now printed and the top is now going on. So let's see if it's print. Okay, I don't know what it is doing. Sending everywhere. Something is locking the print. Model needs to be tuned somehow, but if this works, then yeah, we just sewed two pieces of fabric together using a 3D printer. So it's done. Let's see. So it's this part, and it just come off, and I don't think it is going anywhere. Okay, it's not going anywhere, so it's sturdy, and we have locked the two pieces together using this print in place clip, and you can just show this, and if we can, so if we flip this part, it's quite difficult to do it by hand, so we can see the wait. Okay, so this part is actually hand sewn and using needle and thread, and this part here is your 3D printed part, and well, if you place something in here, there is some seam, but we can work out something. It can make a bag. Okay, so yeah, we made the sleeve together. So yes, and I don't think it's going anywhere. So yes, now we need to do is we need to print some more.